In fact, AIADMK MLA Shan Mugananthan has a complaint to the police that he was held at the Golden Bay Resort against his will. Remember, he is the one who had earlier given the slip to Shashikala's security and escaped from the resort. In fact, India Today has in its possession that entire letter that has been written by the AIADMK MLA. And in fact, let me go across to my colleagues on that story, Akshaya Nath. In fact, Akshaya, are there more such MLAs who are likely to break away given the kind of security that has been put in place around this resort? What's the plan?
Well, Padmaja, let me first give you an idea of how this resort looks like. So once when you're moving from Chennai towards Kanchipuram, this place comes on the left-hand side with a huge board saying Golden Bay Resort. But as you enter inside the premises, we're seeing that almost 2 kilometers ahead of the resort itself, the media personnel are stopped. Even the general public are not being allowed inside. And we're seeing that many of the in and around people who are living there have been coming out and complaining about how they are not being able to follow their livelihood. And the second point that you're talking about, yes, there's a word that we're getting from our sources that there might be more people inside the resort who really want to move out. And the reason why they were bought here initially itself was to ensure that nobody jumps the ship. And in fact, there have been allegations raised by OPS camp saying that many of these people, the signature on which Shashikala Natarajan had taken to the governor, many of the signatures are not valid. So these kind of allegations are coming out, and Shanmuganathan, who came out from the resort, is saying that there are many others. He's certain that there are many others who are staying there forcefully. And in fact, even the kind of press meet that these MLAs had with the journalists outside, it was very evident that they were forcefully made to come and talk to the media just to brush down the kind of speculation that are going on, and also the reportage that is going on. They just want to keep it calm, wait till Shashikala is sworn in. The entire process is done to ensure that even if it's for just 2 or 3 days before the DA case, they want her to be sworn in.